Hello, my name's Bruce, and I'm a loan advisor with Foreclosure Rescue Squad. We're a team of loan advisors and attorneys providing help to homeowners facing financial difficulty. Whether you're behind on your mortgage payments, or if your adjustable rate is set to increase, or if your home is worth less than the amount you owe, we have several options and programs available to help. These include loan modification, short sale, and others which I'll go over in this brief presentation. As you know, the country is in the midst of a housing and mortgage crisis, and this has led to a flood of loan delinquencies and foreclosures. Foreclosure filings are up 83% over last year, and projections call for more than 2 million foreclosure filings in 2008. The banks are overwhelmed with these foreclosures. Banks do not want your home. One foreclosure can cost the bank $50,000 or more in legal fees, maintenance costs, taxes, and marketing expenses, in addition to the possible loss that they will incur because of the reduction in the value of the property. So it's really common sense. Banks need to avoid foreclosures and cut their losses if at all possible. And they're willing to negotiate your loan terms if it makes economic sense for them. And in today's housing market, a loan modification or other foreclosure avoidance program almost always makes economic sense for the bank over the alternative of an expensive and lengthy foreclosure process. So let's talk about loan modification in a little more detail. This is an ideal solution if you're late on your payments due to a financial or personal hardship, or if your adjustable rate is about to increase, or if your property is worth less than the amount you owe on the mortgage. With loan modification, you can reduce your rate, you can fix your adjustable rate, you can bring the late payments current, and in some cases even reduce the outstanding balance on the mortgage. With loan modification, you can save your home, your credit, and thousands of dollars in mortgage costs. The goal of loan modification is to keep you in your home with an affordable mortgage payment. And the process is much different than a refinancing or applying for a new loan. With loan modification, it does not matter how far behind you are on your payments, and it does not matter what your credit score is. It doesn't matter how much you owe or what your home is worth. In most cases, a loan modification will work. And since every situation is unique, we customize a modification solution to best fit your needs. Let's go over the process of loan modification. We review your current situation in detail and discuss available options with you. This begins by examining your monthly cash flow, as well as mortgage balance, mortgage payment, and estimated market value of your home. This is a free consultation which can be completed in one telephone call. If a loan modification is the best option, we gather all your financial information and supporting documents, and this normally takes a day or so. With a complete file, our staff can prepare your unique and customized loan modification proposal. Then we will contact your bank and present your loan modification proposal. We work with all lenders and know their specific requirements. We have extensive bank contacts and direct access that most homeowners do not, and that is why we can be so effective and successful in negotiating your loan modification. We negotiate on your behalf directly with your bank to achieve a solution that is acceptable to your bank and most beneficial to you. Once we have an agreement, we present the solution to you for your review and acceptance. With your acceptance, your existing mortgage is then modified as agreed and brought current. Any foreclosure in process is stopped and canceled. You now have a fresh start with your mortgage at an affordable payment. And it's important to point out that this is not a refinancing, so there are no points, title, appraisal, attorney, or bank fees. There's just one low flat fee to cover the modification processing and closing costs. Another option to avoid or stop foreclosure is the short sale. Whereas the loan modification is designed to keep you in your home with an affordable mortgage payment, the short sale is appropriate if you owe more than your home is worth and do not wish to keep the property. We will work with your bank to determine the fair market value of your home and what price your bank will accept as a payoff. Working with our broker network, We locate a buyer who will meet the bank's required price. We close the sale, and your mortgage is paid off. And you won't even have to pay any closing costs or brokerage fees because they will be covered by the bank. In nearly all cases, this is a far better alternative than foreclosure for both your bank and for you. In addition to loan modification and short sale, there are several other options which can be used to avoid or stop foreclosure, and I'll briefly describe a few of these other options. A repayment agreement corrects the delinquency and reinstates the loan under the terms of a monthly repayment plan. This can be used together with a loan modification. For FHA loans, a partial claim may be available, which puts delinquent payments on the back end of the loan as a second mortgage. There's also the option of deed in lieu. This allows the homeowner to deed their house back to the lender to avoid foreclosure. The lender releases the homeowner from the mortgage and takes possession of the property. There's also special forbearance, which is available in cases of short-term hardship. This will provide the homeowner with more relief than is possible than with a regular repayment plan and can result in spreading the repayment over 12 to 18 months or longer. With a foreclosure refinance, you can save your home by replacing the defaulted mortgage with a new mortgage as well as consolidating other debts, and we work with a few lenders who will do foreclosure refinance. And then usually as a last resort is a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. This is a court-ordered repayment plan based on income and allows the homeowner to keep their home and make payments to their debtors based on what they can afford to pay. And I want to point out that this list of options I've described is not exhaustive. There are still other options available. But the most important thing to understand is that you can stop or avoid foreclosure if these options are pursued in a timely and effective manner. And probably the most important point when dealing with foreclosure is that time is of the essence. If you are behind on your mortgage, if you owe more than your home is worth, or if your rate is about to increase to an unaffordable level, the clock is ticking. You have many options to help you keep your home, protect your credit, and save many thousands of dollars. But doing nothing now is the worst thing you can do. The best thing you can do is to contact a loan advisor to review your situation and explore your options. My team and I at Foreclosure Rescue Squad are happy to offer you a free consultation to review your situation and your available options. You can contact us by phone 631-682-4729. You can complete our contact form at www.foreclosurerescuesquad.com or email us at inquiry@foreclosurerescuesquad.com. Thanks so much for your time, and we look forward to helping you.